So if you pay subcontractors, so they bill you for a job and then you pay them like 30 days later or 45 days later, or if you have any other bills that are like that, like you purchase but you pay later, not including your credit card, that's different, then you want to use bills in your software to keep track of these, just like invoices. Make it easy on yourself. Let the software do the job. So in FreshBooks, because that's the example I'm using right now, we want to go to, let's see, expenses, where bills are. We're going to make a new bill. So whenever you get the invoice, because those people are going to send you an invoice because they want to get paid, you're going to take that and then copy that information into your software, manually create. Oh, looks like you can upload a bill. Does it? So, well, let me go back. So there are softwares that if you upload something, it will scan it and automatically create the bill or the receipt for you in the software, and those are really cool. So it looks like FreshBooks will let you upload it and then it will create the bill in here for you, which is really cool and saves you time. I don't have a bill to upload, and I want to show you how to do it manually, just in case you need to. So let's do it manually. So first off, we want to add the vendor name, like who do we need to pay? So let's say it's someone who's XYZ. And you know what? Let's say it's just a person's name. I'm just gonna come up with Rachel Ray. There we go. It will create her as a vendor in here. Let's say she gave it to me on, I'm gonna put June 1st. And then the due date. So whatever due date is on their invoice, you would use the same one. So let's say she put it as July 1st. Okay, and then whatever numbers on the invoice they gave you, then you would copy that into this bill number. So you can copy it if you want to easily refer back to the original document, or if you have your own system of bill numbers, then you can use that. Let's see. Let's do my own system. So let's say 0. Let's say this isn't the first one. This is the 20th bill. 2024 bill. I'm going to put bill because our invoices also use a numbering system. So you would upload the file here. Always good to keep them together. And then copy from the invoice, like what service was it? So I'm going to just put it to medical. Hospital, 10 a.m. to 12. Obviously, did a lot of medical interpreting. That's what I always think. Okay, so category. Remember, chart of accounts. This is that box. It's like, okay, what account does this belong in? This expense, because this is an expense. So if you had subcontractors, you would put it in there. Looks like I can create one from here, which is cool. So I'm going to just call this contractor payments. And it's not an other expense, but it looks like it will. Okay, here we go. I was like, change it. Oh, contractors. Professional services. See, from here I can't tell which one is cost of services or cost of goods. So I want it to show up in a specific area of my P&L. So ideally, we would know which area that shows up in, and I would select that area. Okay, here we go. Cost of goods sold. I can't see. So I'm going to pick that because I want it to show up there. Save. Oh, I guess it's saying I'm doing it twice. Sorry. Yeah, so it got it. And then, rate. What did they charge us? So let's say they charged us $75, and it was 2 hours. Okay, and then that's it. So we're going to save the bill. So now it's in your software. Oh, something went wrong. Did not like that. Okay, so I'm just recreating the bill. This part is a little different, so I'm going to show it. Looks like creating the new account looks a little bit different. Okay. Waiting for it to save. Perfect. 675. This is 2. And we're good. Okay, now save it. There you go. Saved. Alright, so now we can see the bill here. And now, let's say, end of the month we're reviewing our bills. Go to reports. We're looking for the what's called accounts payable, because we have to pay it, aging report. Where is it? There it is, payment reports. Okay, so you can see here, we look and it's in the 61 to 90 days column. This is overdue. So we're reviewing it and we're like, oh no, we didn't pay this person yet. It's late. If they're charging us late fees, then that amount, will be more. So what do? Now you need to schedule bill payments. So you can do this, manually, like there's, write the check for a certain date and then send it to them. Or you can use some type of service like Melio to schedule the payment and send it. If you do like direct deposit to them or like an electronic payment, that's better because then they got the money. With checks, it can get lost, or they might take a while to actually cash the check. So you need to make sure you have money in your account to cover it, like whenever they cash it. So if you can use Melio or some other service similar, then that's great. All right, so what do? If we wrote the check or we scheduled the payment and we want to mark this as paid. Okay, so let's go to the bill and add a payment. So let's say we did it like today, like just of August 13th. And we did a check. So let's say a check mailed, or again, I like to put a lot of detail. So check written 8/13, or written and mailed. $8/13/24. Oh, and then the check number, definitely want to put that. So check number 111, written, mailed. There you go. Now it's marked as paid. And then you just need to wait for it to actually be withdrawn from your bank account so that those can be matched up, and like, yes, this payment went through, like they got paid. It's clear.
I wanted to show you how you can add an attachment to a bill. So if you get a bill, you either hopefully have it like an emailed form or some sort of PDF that you can download to your computer, and then it's a good idea to upload it to the bill that you enter into your software. And you can do that in FreshBooks by either just dragging your document here or click select a file and then upload the file. And it's a good idea to have them both together because it'll be really easy to find the original bill as reference in case you need it in the future.
Let me show you how to match that bill payment that you just recorded with the actual bank withdrawal. So we recorded $150 taken out, and this is the bank transaction, like coming out of the actual bank account, and it says, oh, well, there's 150 to Rachel Ray. So we know that these are for the same transaction, same expense. So we're going to click both of these and then match. There we go, and that's it.